Now let us count 3-digit number. We already now know that how we will count tens place and ones place. So in the case of 3-digit, same we have to use our right hand. That means when we are going to calculate the ones place number, we will use our right hand, and for the tens place we will use our left hand. But you know, the left hand and right hand, after that we don't have any hand, so again we have to use our right hand. But when we are counting the ones place, we have to put our hand like this and like this, and when we are counting the 3-digit number, and we have to use our right hand, so we have to put our hand like this. So this is our index finger. When we open like this, the index finger is open like this, so it is denoted 100. This is 101. 101, 102. How we will count? So when it is like this is 100. When you open the half open, then it is 101. This is 102, 103, 104, 105, 100, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. So again we up to 909 we can count with the use of our right hand. And for the 110, how we count? This is 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 60, 70, 80, 190. Again now if we count 200, this is the 100, this is the 100, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400, this is 500, this is 600, this is 700, this is 800, this is 800, and this is 900. So 900 we will count like this. So 100 means this one, 200, this 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 600, 7, 800, and 900 means we have to open like this. So this was the 900. We can count like this. Now we have to count, we have to calculate this sum of the calculations.